Hey, it's Becca with Rebecca Recreative, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down an animation that you create in Canva. This is really a great way to increase engagement on Pinterest. So right here, I'm creating a Pinterest graphic that has a lot of animation, and I found that these graphics do better, so I'll embed them in my blog posts or whatever. And yeah, so right now, this animation is only 2 seconds, and Pinterest requires you to have at least 4 seconds for any animation or video you create. So the way to make it longer is to take a video. You just can click on video, and this one is 6 seconds, and you just put it into your graphic. You can shrink it up a little bit. It's a little long. And now when I download this, it'll be a 6-second graphic. I have other ones, that's why it's showing 11.4 seconds up here, but it'll be a 6-second graphic. If I want it to be like a little bit slower, I can adjust the speed here too. So I'll just probably make it like that. And then you obviously want to hide this because I don't want this hanging out. So then you just go to the transparency and make it not transparent. This was an old video that I had. So that, then you can, when you download it, just make sure if you have multiple pages like I do, instead of doing all the pages, you're just going to do the first page. And MP4 video is good. And you can download it, and now it'll be a little bit longer. And if you want an even longer animation, just pick a video that is 13 seconds or whatever.